Hi everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are here for today, no, mga officers na ko ayo kay ana ra kay gid sila. So we are going to introduce ourselves. So before we start, let's go.
So I am Alaysa Nicole, second year BSIT student.
I'm Kirk Ikong, third year IT student.
Hi, hello everyone. I am Leia Quinones, a third year BS Information Systems student.
Hi, I am Sean Linus F. Wee, first year BSIS student.
And we are here for today because we are going to shoot our kasakit box from CCS Foundation Day, and we also provided G-forms from our block reps where nagtubag mo. Hopefully nitubag yun mo guys. This is actually our How Are You Doing series that we are doing. This is our episode 1. And then, we are going to read, how are you doing? Kamusta ka? Asa ka ga-struggles na subjects? And then, hopefully, maka-provide me of opportunities for you guys so that you won't be left behind sa ato ang pack. So, let us start with our kasakit box. Take note, your names will be confidential. Dili na namo i-release, so don't worry guys.
So, daghan kayong struggle sa college. Lisod kaayo ang calculus, and yes, ka-relate to ta halos tanan ani no. So, laban lang ta sa calculus to dira no.
Naradyo'y uban na mo yung na can't relate, pero like rare ka na tao.
Rare.
Nakaas pod me og subjects where asa sila galisod, and mostly akong nabasahan is napoy calculus no, daghan kayo calculus, diba? Daghan kay calculus ka struggle. So math. Yeah, same guys, same. Like, di ganag matter. Importante mo good siya when it comes to programming. So boss,
Pero ano siya, rip
daw.
sa exam. So
Rip.
of course,
Rest and
we all
peace.
know na ang sa karon na week kay daghan kay prelims, mga midterms.
Yeah.
So naglisod jud sila sa mga exam. I've had friends jud nagaingon na sa exam nila kay inaani inaana, and hoping na jud sila nagmanifest lang jud sila nakapass sila.
Yeah.
So in their situation, laban lang jud. Kana ra jud ang maingon.
Hala, may sila dako kay tabang ang JITS no. Ilang kon suggestion kay laban lang ta.
Okay. Hello. Okay ra ibasa.
Mostly gid ang tubag dire kay I'm chill, not good. Ayoko na, please tama na. I'm stressed out, potato, chilling in the top of the volcano. What?
Ayan, dapat sa Hi CS Mayor, sabi niya.
Bastos lagi na sila. I'm stressed but thankful kay I made it through. Wow! At least kabalo siya how to be grateful, no? Kasi tawag na, like, give.
Accept.
Yeah. Kasi like, word sa accept. Word, gi-acknowledge niya. Iyatabangin ko ninyo, di ako sa istorya. Like, anxious with my grades since majors are getting difficult for me. So when it comes to your subjects, opportunities for you guys. That's why you have to watch this video from beginning to the end, because from time to time we will be throwing out some opportunities for you guys. So the Executive Council of the College of Computer Studies is actually offering opportunities for you guys, which is ga-offer sila og katong Discord. I think na mo dito, di ba? Kids,
yes,
na sila dito. Napod silang Johan na dito. Johan, what can you say so far sa inyuhang Wolves Den, right? Wolves Den sa Discord niyo. What do you do dito man?
Talking about lots of computer stuff, no? And we have this, then sa server, we have 100 days of code where each individual, they have 100 days para mag-code, and every day mag-update sila on what they learned po. And it's very inspiring din kay daghay students ma-motivate na do more and maka-learn sa mga lain-lain programming languages and the ways around computers.
Lagit sa time na mo work, walay klase kayo ang programming na class. Then among classmates kay murag galisod, galibog sa kung sa nila, kay murag IT ba daw ni or dili.
Okay. Unsay gi-offer sa unsa ba gi-offer guys sa Wolves Den? Programming ra ba or ga-offer sila og lain nga programs as well?
For the Wolves then, aside sa katong 100 days of coding, and also since mostly CCS students jud ang naa sa Wolves then, some of the seniors are also willing to share information or knowledge para sa uban ng mga first year. So at least dili pud sila kanang ma-blinded or kanang unsa ba like maglisod sila sa mga topics. Willing na jud sa Wolves then ang mga seniors nato dito na mo help ug mo hatag jud og kanang pwede syllabus, pwede pod mga topics.
Mga advice sa kinabuhi.
Yes.
So programming kayo ilang gina-teach right sa online sa Discord?
Napoy uban na topics pero mostly programming pa
Mostly
jud.
programming, okay. So, I heard, mga good guys, I heard na ipadulong nga opportunities na po guys from EC is that they will be offering calculus na tutor. So, wow. Actually, ang apps or computer applications, start na sila og calculus nga tutoring, but they plan to open up sa another calculus tutoring na pod no sa EC. So, please guys, look forward to it. And, asa na siya mapadulong para dili mo ma-overwhelm guys. The College of Computer Studies will be opening a CCS Guild where kada career of Guild of Career Ambassadors kay naa dira. Mga tanong mo unsay kada career. I think kinsa naka-check sa kada career. Mga bastos gini sila. Kinsa naka-check dira. Kinsa
Ano yan kay ni apil ka sa kada career and it's very educational yun siya kay natin murag ganang matag session mo ganang session ni nilot sila sa inyo and then after na matag ko challenges sa mga ko sa ilang mga learn mo sa mga sessions.
I see.
So nice sige siya if mo join yun ang mga so ako yung di ganang mga new freshmen and mga second years na mo join o mo apply sa kada career kay nice siya na opportunity.
I heard nga makatake ng kadira og internships, right, Han? Internships and chances na maka-OJT daw ka. Especially sa mga incoming na mga 4th years like me, 3rd year, biya ko kami ni Ice, no? So, it is very important na maka-build na ka sa imuhang network and connections because your network is your net worth. So, muna siya, guys. So, padayon ta dire. Unsa man ang yellow paper? Nagigataga ko yellow paper.
Para murag kami kiba.
Da.
Dear Jello. No, we are. Go on, Jimmy.
Go on. Panirong lang. Bakit? Kaganyan. Shout out kang dog. Unsa yung nakita dira na kanang medyo na-intrigue mo, ha? Alaysa?
Ako how to budget kwarta.
How to budget daw.
Actually,
Wala may masuggest. Oh, unsa man?
Nakoy na pang diari. Shout out ni CA Mayor. Hi CS Mayor. Asa naman si CA Mayor?
Ibalik na. Ibalik na sa guys. Hindi na ako nasisayahan dito. So yeah, again guys, so katong gisulti ni Alaysa na unsaon daw pag budget og kwarta. Especially no katong mga nagi-boarding house peeps nato dira nagi-boarding house. Gusto ko mangutan na kang cheese. Ginaon sa nimo pag budget imuhang kwarta. Hala, dagit indugan. Just a little advice sa ilaha. How do you manage your money kay di kastador man ko, dili ko kapkuan na. Di ko mosulti ko guys nga inanin yung pag-budget, dapat mag-project management gid mo nya ako kay dili hypocrite kayo. So ituyok ng camera, go to cheese because kani nag-boarding house ni siya.
So, I think yung best way na mag-manage ka ng pera mo is like, think of everything na mag-cost ng money. Once na makita mo yung masense mo yung ganun na range ng ano mo, yung kunyari, yung pagkain mo, ilan ang gasto mo sa isang week, yung sa boarding house mo, usually sa 1 month yan siya. I think yung income mo or yung budget mo or yung allowance na makuha mo is disseminate mo siya to each part ng ano mo, ng gastusin mo. So, pagkain mo, sana yung mga ulam at yung bigas. And most importantly, magtira ka ng percentage just for you lang. Like, treat yourself na rin kahit konti lang. So, ipon-ipon rin pag may time.
Thank you, cheese. Uy, grabe sa ako am dahil. Oh, naray siya gikuan daw.
Na solution gikan sa kasakit box.
May solution.
Nakakita akong sugar daddy.
Inalaro ta kadali ang life, guys, no? Kung di ka kakita og sugar daddy, be your own sugar daddy. Yan na rin na.
Speaking of boarding house, message today I miss my family.
Oh,
Being homesick.
Homesick yun siya, no? Okay, ikaw, Johan, what can you suggest man sa gipangmingaw sa ilahang family?
Pangminaw sa lang mga family, I guess, laban lang.
Hala, salamat. Salamat ka.
Very challenging. Tapos, syempre, we need to make sacrifices ng yun. So, kana siya, yung family makita niya kung yun, mga night holidays, so, ano na lang, another, siguro, alternative for that, in everything that you do sa college, no, think about your family. Okay, tapos na siya, na siya. Okay, for me, Mongol, in everything that I do here, ako remind myself na I'm doing this for my family, no?
Pila ka po kung anak? Oh. Ay, lahat din na family di ay. Lahat din, papa di ay. Sorry.
Parents.
Yeah, oo, tama.
So yeah,
Tama.
Instead na inahimo lang siya na emotional ko, ako siya ginahimo as a boost sa akong self, no? Motivation. So, ano nakita siya, guys? Sa inyo na lang yun ang thinking, mag-basic yun. So, ano lang, positive thinking lang yun.
Ang question is, how many hours did you spend trying to understand that one confusing concept in your subject? Then, ipa-state na mo, guys, kung saan subject sila galisod.
So this is from the forms, and mostly ang nakabutang diri is discrete mathematics, discrete structure, 24 hours studying the whole night. So kana, as you can see, maglisod jud sila, pero mostly sa mathematics. Pero guys, once again, normal ra jud ni sa college life. It is based on mostly, even if kanang wala jud kay knowledge or kanang foundation sa inani kanang mathematics ana, if willing jud ka mo learn, dapat dili jud ka magpapildi sa mga small jud na obstacles kanang like gamay lang kay na inconvenience ba. So but basta everything comes jud with discipline lang jud so when it comes to studying. And of course ayo pod og think na kanang bahala kung 24 hours pa ni or like the whole night ko nag-study. Please keep in mind na jud fruit sa imong labor afterwards. So sooner or later makita na jud nimo ang kanang process o kanang gihimo nimo or gi-sacrifice nimo.
Nice.
First year lang ang answer. So siguro ang mga higher years magubos ka galisod, no?
But dili basin sa sobraan ka lisod, wala na lang yun dito bag. Ano siya na, ayod na, dili ni enough, no? So makita kita to struggle pod.
Pila ka text na.
Kulang run G-forms dapat one.
Respondents, like 30% discrete structures, which is subject sa first years. Along with mathematics in the module road, which is 24%. Then
Napoy nito bag actually yung thesis daw. So yeah, anak man yun
research,
na.
18%.
Yeah.
Sa
Speaking of thesis, pwede pa daw na graduate na lang daw diretso mo wala thesis.
Hoy, kung pwede lang yun na, daghan na kayo ni-graduate yun sa IIT, na mo graduate nga wala thesis.
Ako
Makita
kanta,
ha.
ano wala tayo refill? Sabi niya sa isa sa respondents, gamay kaayong refill sa tubig.
Pwede pa daw magpa-water dispenser mayor.
Ala. So, nanay niingon nga, bakit uhaw sa tubig? No, tubig kay init yung gayo karon guys, no, mas init pa tong ulo sa namaligya og pan sa mga bakery. So, bantay-bantay lang ta guys because naay plan. Actually gina-execute na namo siya currently. Naay pa project ang JITS, ang Junior Information Technology Society officers. This term we will be having an automatic tubig machine. Finally. Butang na mo siya sa CCS na building. So as soon as possible guys para kanang mga uhaw na to ng mga wolves dira galaway na gyud. So this is for you. Bring your own water bottle. And napod me questions diri where first choice ba nimo ang IT or IS. Unfortunately no, nasad ko kay dili gyud nila first choice ang IT or IS. Though napoy uban nga first choice gyud nila ang IT and IS no. About that, naatay Guild of Career Ambassador soon na mag-career talks ta. So don't worry if dili nimo choice gyud ang IT or IS because we will have career talks nga dili lang siya limited sa scope sa IT o IS. So, if ganan ka mo shift, go. We will help you with that. And what can you say man about being an IS so far? Kani siya kay first choice ba nimo ang IS?
To be honest, I'm one of the many na dili first choice ang
Kasi
BSIS.
61%.
Yes, I hate to
Yeah.
admit it. Pero, it's not all bad. Ang IS mismo kay at first I was unsure kay wala jud ko kabalo sa course unsay like naa sa
Yeah.
course. Pero then na-realize nako na it's the same with all courses na daghan jud og opportunities.
Very.
It doesn't go away jud na naay mga ma-learn nimo na bag-o na kanang maka-help nimo sa future nimo. So when it comes to for the people who are unsure like sa first year student like myself, just take time to discern. Pero ayaw po think na kanang if naka-sign ani na course na kanang mag-problema ra jud ka like dili jud nimo like ma-find way na kanang ma-love nimo ba.
Yeah, tinood yun na. Thank you kayo, Ana Uino. So, no, last question na mo sa forms is, if you could give the JITS officers a superpower to help you, what would it be and why? So, napoy ni tubag diri na power to make opportunity for me. So, mo ni siya, guys. Dili siya yung superpowers, but it's a power that you wanted na muhatag mig opportunity sa inyo, ha. So, kanita na amo ang gi-state nga opportunities, dili ni siya mo work for you if dili ni mo i-grab ang chance.
Have to take action.
Yeah.
Have to take
Sometimes scary gid siya, guys, in the like mo take ka ng opportunity, hala, what if mo labaw imo what if, pero what if pod nga mo work day siya for you, pero kung dili siya mo work, then it's not for you, it's another chance to try a new one, maybe na something mas better para sa imo, ha. Lastly, we will promote the World Mental Health Day, no? Please ko, Eliza.
This upcoming October 10 would be the World Mental Health Day. We are united here with a common purpose to fight the stigma against mental health. So, on October 11, the Matter of the Mind would be held on at Kono Prism, correct? From 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then the Matter of the Heart, same day and same time, would be held sa said amphitheater.
Aside from the heart and mind talk, naapod sila at the same day. The MSU IIT Guidance and Counseling is doing a film viewing for mental health awareness. So still the same day, the time would be 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. and then another would be 3 to 4:30 p.m. So all of this will be happening sa mini theater. So for those na kanang ganahan mo appeal, pwede pod because once again it has the same purpose na kailangan jud mawala ang stigma sa mental health sa mental illness kay dili siya, it can't be something that you can joke around jud.
Yeah.
For the people who are going through not really based from my experience where I've gone through hell and back from my mind kay dili jud siya like something to think na kanang made up lang sa tower kanang gihimo-himo ra sa tawo ba. So hopefully kamo dili pod mo like ma-shy ug appeal ba kay kana hatag
Opportunity. We encourage you to join sa mga inanay kay like a good way na nga to share things because at least kay para sa mga wolf like you belong na more mo ka na kay
Yeah.
feeling nga.
So I think, yeah, that's it, guys. Do you have any things to add up? Hana, Johan, Cheese, Jeff? Na ba may gusto i-add? Wala? Sure? Johan?
Reminder lang jud sa katong mga events sa October 11 ha. Please encourage jud mo na mo appeal if
Yeah.
ganahan mo. Please don't be shy. So kato.
So yeah, guys, gusto daw i-follow up ni Johan daw to about daw sa DevCon Geek Up this coming October 14, and I'm not sure where pa siya i-held, but it will be to be announced pa, no? We will just keep you updated, guys, so please like, follow, and share our social media pages from TikTok, YouTube channel, and our Facebook page as well. So if you have any clarifications, questions, guys, please do let us know in the comment box below and just check our description box sa mga opportunities na among gigive sa inyo, ha. So, salamat kayo sa pag-tune in, guys, and paghut-hawod. This is JITS once again. Bye! Bye, guys! Sila.
Sila sa
Yeah. Thank you, guys.